Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo, me mo bibi akwa eba Melodies TV so. You see, and that date is 5th of January 2021, just in about 2 days. President Akufo-Addo will be sworn in as the president of this country. Na enunti ama Ghana Police Service at the Inshishaya bi aba. Na Inshishaya Ghana Police Service no so edi aba no. Ebi mo can say Inshishaya papa. Ebi mo nso akansem address one more trese Inshishaya we die sebe. You want to intimidate us. Into no, senior year cancel no. I mean, you understand the political divider. We will take it each side. Into no, you be reading Ghana Police in Shesha. Almost some of the abani. We are now me read the article. Bia a year MP Kesia Pan. We know so what Ghana has say. What throw a what in Shesha and so. Now this is what Ghana Police said. Or say news release, and you can see officially from Ghana Police official Facebook handle. It is verified, and so you know. Also, news release: security arrangement for swearing in elected president, vice president, and parliamentarians on 7 January 2021. The police administration has put in place security measures for the inauguration of the president-elect of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Vice President-elect His Excellency Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, speakers and members of the 8th Parliament of the 4th Republic on 7th January 2021 at Accra. All VVIPs would be offered close protection as appropriate. The entire State House complex, Accra International Conference Center, Accra Sports Stadium, and Black Star Square would also be secured and patrolled by security personnel. The police would perform ceremonial duties including bearing the state sword, performance by the police band, escorts by the police mounted squadron, and motorcade. In addition to providing security, please read details from the attached. From the attached. Internal police person motre say, "We share swearing in a yebe stadium area. What's the stadium ni way area ni na one place? Stadium ni Independence Square no sa area ni na one place. In terms of sa areas no, area bia heavily guarded by police. Aposi for ben nambo ebedi ho a train tree here and there nti who say police for nambo bebresa na embohu ni na eye nhyehyaya ye de atoja na nhyehyaya no mu no ena trese wo mo ede letter aba bontia wo mo say details of nhyehyaya no security arrangement no eno ena e letter ni nti letter ni o say security arrangement for swearing in of elected president, vice president, and parliamentarians on 7th January 2021. Also, the police administration has put in place security measures for the inauguration of the president-elect of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Vice President-elect, blah, 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 blah. Was it two? Manpower strength. Inti ahasei, ena nkofo bebre raise concern. Or say 6,000 security personnel drawn from the Ghana Police Service, the armed forces, and allied agencies will provide security to ensure protection of lives and properties and general maintenance of law and order for inaugural ceremonies. This will be augmented by technology to ensure maximum security. Inti apostle for person here say, yeah, the apostle for ne soldiers for ne other security agencies no bako for 6,000. And I yedi omo AC ho say yedi omo ebe provide security for this particular exercise the swearing in of the president no. So the number 6,000 security personnel used no, and no raise concern to that, but we will go to that. I say security of dignitaries. I say conducive security environment will be provided around all dignitaries attending the inaugural ceremonies and related events. All VVIPs would be offered close protection as appropriate. Designated lodging places, including meeting areas, would also be protected by security personnel. Until just say, you see, baby, you be protected. Baby, I said, in Grofo be share meeting, and same ninano heavy police security. Ebe waho, into no, they will not compromise with security. Kra, into what you also with security at venues. Not just say, baby, event nanka sansono, honso, security. Ebe koso. Also, no, Osha set points where I was say COVID-19 protocols mask wearing and applicable COVID-19 protocols will be strictly enforced. Not to say, you be making sure so be ebe mask. Ati ase and also ebeye juma police for so medical emergency and fire safety. One be making sure say ambulance ne nyama wo ho ebia na obi akwati ahwe near the nakwa ambulance ne mu san nyama ne so e be provided ceremonial roles of the police. Or say in addition to providing security, the police will support protocol duties of the state protocol department. The police will also perform the following ceremonial duties: bearing the state sword, performance by the police band, escort by the police mounted squadron, motorcade. Inti chese police for also the moto ebe ne muna once empenyufo ba yes ana MP sana president ba moto fo a ride wo monim no police one ebe ye president so that ye de be kra no na ama ye hu ne say yes wono ene oye omampanyi no police for ene be kra sword no inti wo hwe na so be so je sword ni free president nsemu a hu ne say oni police for no ene be di ansa na wakwa akodu ho. Performance by police band nso be bonjom de na nkrofo asa COVID-19 tie man nkrofo nsa ba police band be bonjom de na nkrofo de aye nyama squadron ni nyama police be ye display kakra na nkrofo ehu. Traffic advisory into police also be control traffic because of this particular thing in that particular area and the traffic ebechi ho yie into police for ebehwe na wo ma control traffic. Police will also public cooperation. The police is urging the public to continue to cooperate with security arrangements for the inaugural ceremonies of 7 January 2021 in support of the constitutional framework of government. Into way a free director, public affairs, superintendent of police, I friend Sheila Kessie Abeye Backman, Miss. Into asemwa what they tuja no. Yedi tuja say Ghana for yesremo. Mama police we juma na enyedin. Montiasie se police for eba be ejuma we why you wadin say and they wo won penny a wo be ma police for ejuma na yedin police for ba 6,000 okwa etie for maza onya ne ye intino yesremo now inti inshisheya police for Edia Bay. For me personally, I see nothing wrong with it. For me, to be frank with you, I see nothing wrong with it because it is the president of the land. And this particular thing we are doing, you have to make sure say the place is well protected. And you see, and it's not like the 6,000 police personnel are going alone to provide protection for the president. People are making it look like that way, but it's not like police 6,000 them can eco protect the president and Dabi. We about 9 duties a police eco play. Ebi mo be traffic, ebi mo be bonyum, ebi mo be moto, ebi mo so betena ambulance and chain. Just say enjuma ne dorso into police for no say was mo dorso. Ebi mo be protect VIP for ebeba, ebi mo so ebe protect bibia ye be meeting. Ati ase inti no police for ne de numbers no edoso. Inti no nkrofo bebre na kasa etia Nshishewe, and one person mema wati ase Okujato Ablakwa, who is a leading politician or a leading member of parliament for the NDC. Now asema wakan or say what really is the essence of the needless, excessive Gestapo and despotic security deployments to Parliament House when our standing orders are clear in Order 13 as quoted below. Or say the following act of conduct shall constitute a breach of privilege or contempt of Parliament. 1. Causing or effecting the arrest of a member or officer of Parliament during the proceedings of Parliament or in the course of the duties. 2. Molestation of members or officers in connection with the performance of their duties in or out of Parliament. Or to also I will say attempted intimidation by threat of members in the conduct of their duties. Parliament, as the bastion of democratic freedom, must at all times reflect what is beautiful about representative democracy, devoid of ugly intimidation by threat of force, which is the hallmark of tyrants and dictators. Let those few service commanders impetuously pursuing misguided instruction be informed that per the standing orders of Parliament, they are in contempt of Parliament and shall be in even more trouble if they attempt to arrest or molest any member of Parliament as we carry out our legitimate constitutional duties. Now, Okujato Ablakwa is painting the picture as if say police wana yedi omo aside the protection duty a womo eba be play, womo sanso ebe intimidate especially the minority. because ebi ana minority for be your margin say yeah mpene e man nsem bi nkoso na police for be chi omo na trese ope say all can ahead say intimidation. So this is the angle Okudzeto Ablakwa is speaking from, and I am very sorry, but I don't side with him. You see, if you don't have bad intentions, you not be speaking like this. I am very sorry, but please, you are swearing in of a president. You are swearing more parliamentarians also in. And I had the police for Babel bomb home by. O say police for na mo de Babel bomb home by no. You nim say mo de omo be chi yen. And ye person mo ti ase say intimidation. Police for no nka say wo be chi mo. O say obe bomb crofo home by. It is all ka say onim say mo be chi omo a. I mean, like you see, o de na ka mensi. Ni ehun say okay, police for na ye ka say ye de omo ba no. Na mo NDC fonti na ye de omo ba. But nothing looks that way. And so if you come out to write this, obi baka say and now NDC for one plan say mo koye enyama bi in the swearing in nyama ne say be ede basabasa yo beba intia na mo sheda aka say tia police for na beba ho na na sa no obi beka, and the person is right to say that. In the article not to aswa, also the people of Ghana, including my beloved constituents of North Tong, did not vote for cowards. We refuse to be intimidated, and we are determined to stand up against this affront of the dignity of Parliament and the good people we represent. That said, let us all be mindful of the erosion of our hitherto sterling democratic credentials and the terrible precedents being set today through Democrats seek refuge in the legitimacy offered by the masses and not in the deceptive protection offered by guns and armored vehicles. Asemwa Okudzeto Ablakwa walk no. I don't side with him. I've said that. But I'm going to comment box anymore. It's here for me. That's it.